Hello guys, my name is Megha and in this video we are going to have a look on another great feature of Dynamics 365, that is Power BI integration with Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So in today's competitive environment, having complete and the real-time visibility into all areas of your business can be the difference between success and failure. So it is not enough to simply collect data. That data needs to be turned into actionable insight. Microsoft Dynamics 365 offers built-in business intelligence and analytics right where you need it. Power BI provides user-friendly dashboards and visualization tools with the ability to create intuitive reports that can be easily shared. It also offers predictive analysis capabilities, enabling more accurate trend analysis to respond to evolving market demands. Microsoft Dynamics 365 combined with powerful BI capabilities can help companies gain visibility across the entire business to help drive faster and better business decisions. So let's have a look on how to integrate Power BI and Dynamics CRM web application. So first of all, I am on the dashboards under sales, and if I just want to click on this new button, you can see we have two options here. The first one is the Dynamics 365 dashboard, and with the help of this option you can create out of the box dashboards within the web application. If you see this Power BI dashboard, by default this option will not be visible inside the application. To make this option visible in this menu, you need to go to Settings, Administration, and click on System Settings. Click on Reporting, and you have to allow this Power BI visualization embedding. Mark this option to Yes. Click on OK button. By doing so, your option, the Power BI dashboard, will now be available inside your CRM web application. It may take some time to appear this option on this menu. Now you have to log in to the Power BI, that is powerbi.microsoft.com, and click on the sign in button. Once you click on the sign in, the Power BI will take your Dynamics 365 CRM credentials, and it is a free trial account. Now to connect to the CRM, we can install, or we have to connect to the CRM first. So first of all, to install any application, let's click on this get option. You can look for your various Dynamics 365 apps. So I can just simply go there and can type Dynamics 365. So here you can see the Dynamics 365 apps are available. So let's choose Sales Analytics for Dynamics 365 and click this Get It Now. Once you do this, you have to connect with the CRM organization so that it will import your data here. So click on this tab, and to get that URL, click on Settings, Customizations, Developer Resources, and you need to get this Instance Web API. So you need to just copy this URL till.com and paste it over here. Also enter the fiscal year end month number. Click on this Next button. Choose the authentication method as OAuth2 and click on Sign In. You have to choose your Dynamics 365 account. You have to enter the credentials, and it will take some time to install that application inside Power BI. So you can see the data is being importing now. Once your data will be imported, it will take some time to refresh the data and make it visible on the screen. So now you can see here the dashboard has been loaded here, and we can see there we cannot see the data, maybe because we don't have the data for this year inside the CRM application. So if you know how to work with the Power BI, you can remove the filters on this date, and then you can use this dashboard inside the CRM application. So let's say if I just go to this CRM again, and now I want to access the dashboard inside my CRM application. So again, I have to navigate to the sales and then dashboards. Click on this new option, click on this Power BI dashboard, and now you have to add your Power BI dashboard. So you need to choose your dashboard, as we have just one dashboard right now. So we are just using the Sales Analytics for Dynamics 365. Click on this Save button, and you can see your dashboard is now available here. So further, now you can edit this dashboard, or you can make this dashboard default. You can also share it with other users, assign this dashboard. You can also open this dashboard directly in the Power BI. So this is how we integrate Microsoft Dynamics CRM application and Power BI. Thank you for watching this video.